Yon, what's up? Good morning sa inyo mga boss. Okay, kahanap tayo ng pag-change oil lang. So, kailangan na natin muna mag-change oil mga boss para ma-maintain natin na maayos yung sasakyan natin. So yun, sige mga boss, hanap muna tayo ng pag-change oil lang. Let's go, samahan nyo ako. Yun, ito yung gagamitin natin. 8 is filter. Yan, yung gagamitin natin mga boss. Diesel engine.
You always ask me those words I say, and telling me what it means to me. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will say the love I give for you still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give for you still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many
Yon mga boss, tapos na tayo magpa-change oil. So, ang nilagay na oil sa atin is yung Petron. Yung kanina, yung nakita nyo. Then, 8 ganon, bali. Pero ang inano lang natin is 7.5. Kasi yun lang talaga yung ano. So, may natitira laging kalahati. So, sa susunod, pwedeng 7 na lang yung bibiling ko. So, ayan, pati yung oil filter, nagpapalit na rin tayo ng oil filter. Tapos yung air filter pala is pinabugaan lang natin kasi pwede pa naman. Pero susunod magpapalit na rin tayo. So yun, nilagay natin is synthetic oil na para medyo pang matagal lang. So ayun, thank you mga boss. Hanggang dito na lang. Ayun, mag-change oil natin. Let's go.